Part 1. Self-directed warfare, mindset and psychology. These strategies prepare your mind for war, ensuring that you develop resilience, discipline and clarity. 1. Declare war on your enemies, the polarity strategy. Concept. Clearly define your enemies, obstacles, distractions, negative influences. Application. Identify the forces holding you back and cut them out. Avoid neutrality. Commit fully to your path. Exercise. Write down who or what is working against you, laziness, people undermining you, etc. And strategize how to eliminate them. 2. Do not fight the last war, the guerrilla war of the mind strategy. Concept. Adapt to every new situation. Don't rely on past tactics. Application. Constantly evolve. Learn new skills, challenge old beliefs, and avoid patterns that no longer serve you. Exercise. Review a recent loss or failure. Did you rely on outdated thinking? How can you approach things differently? 3. Amidst the turmoil of events, do not lose your presence of mind. The counterbalance strategy. Concept. Stay calm and in control under pressure. Application. Practice emotional discipline. Train your ability to detach from stress and make clear decisions. Exercise. When faced with a stressful situation, pause, breathe and ask, what is the most strategic move? 4. Create a sense of urgency and desperation, the death ground strategy. Concept. Put yourself in situations where failure is not an option. Application. Burn your boats. Eliminate safety nets to force yourself into action. Exercise. Take on a challenge that forces you to rise. For example, commit to a deadline, go all in on a project. Part 2. Organizational, team and social strategies. These strategies help you command power and influence in groups. 5. Avoid the snare of groupthink, the command and control strategy concept. Don't let others' opinions weaken your strategic vision. Application. Be independent in your decisions. Avoid blindly following crowds. Exercise. Identify one area where you've conformed too much and take a stand. 6. Segment your forces, the controlled chaos strategy concept. Divide and conquer, break problems into smaller parts. Application. Use focused attacks instead of spreading energy too thin. Exercise. Identify a goal and break it into small, precise steps. 7. Transform your war into a crusade, the morale strategy. Concept. People will fight harder for a cause than for personal gain. Application. Give your battles meaning, whether leading others or pushing yourself. Exercise. Define your bigger purpose behind what you do. Part 3. Defensive warfare, protecting your power. These strategies focus on preventing attacks and ensuring your dominance. 8. Pick your battles carefully. The perfect economy strategy concept. Conserve energy. Only fight wars worth winning. Application. Learn to say no to distractions and pointless fights. Exercise. Identify battles in your life that are a waste of time and drop them. 9. Turn the tables, the counterattack strategy concept. Use your enemy's aggression against them. Application. Let others overextend themselves, then strike when they're weak. Exercise. Observe someone attacking you. How can you use their energy against them? 10. Create a threatening presence, the deterrence strategy concept. Show strength so others hesitate to challenge you. Application. Develop an aura of power through confidence and reputation. Exercise. Improve how you present yourself. Body language, tone and presence. Part 4. Offensive warfare, dominating your enemies. These strategies focus on taking control and overpowering opponents. 11. Trade space for time, the non-engagement strategy. Concept. Delay and let opponents exhaust themselves before striking. Application. Patience is a weapon. Don't react emotionally. Exercise. Identify a situation where waiting will weaken your enemy. 12. Lose battles, but win the war, the grand strategy concept. Short-term losses don't matter if you win in the end. Application. Keep the bigger picture in mind and play the long game. Exercise. List out your long-term goals. Are you prioritizing them over temporary setbacks? 13. Know your enemy, the intelligence strategy. Concept. Knowledge is power. Study your opponents deeply. Application. Learn the motivations, weaknesses and patterns of those around you. Exercise. Pick a rival and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. 14. Keep them in suspense. The unpredictability strategy. Concept. Never let others fully understand your next move. Application. Break patterns, be unpredictable, and control the narrative. Exercise. Do something unexpected in a situation where people think they know you. Part 5. Dirty warfare, tactics for deception and manipulation. These strategies involve deception, misdirection, and psychological warfare. 15. Sow uncertainty, the misinformation strategy concept. Confuse your enemies so they make mistakes. Application. Use misinformation to weaken others' confidence. Exercise. Observe where misleading information is used in society. 16. Take the initiative. The blitzkrieg strategy concept. Move fast and strike first. Application. Seize the advantage before your opponent can react. Exercise. Identify an opportunity and act immediately. 17. Use the chain reaction strategy concept. A small move can cause a massive ripple effect. Application. Focus on leverage. Small, strategic actions that create big results. Exercise. Identify one small change that can trigger a bigger impact. Part 5. Dirty warfare, tactics for deception and manipulation. These strategies involve deception, misdirection, and psychological warfare. 15. Sow uncertainty, the misinformation strategy concept. Confuse your enemies so they make mistakes. Application. Use misinformation to weaken others' confidence. Exercise. Observe where misleading information is used in society. 16. Take the initiative. The blitzkrieg strategy concept. Move fast and strike first. Application. Seize the advantage before your opponent can react. Exercise. Identify an opportunity and act immediately. 17. Use the chain reaction strategy concept. A small move can cause a massive ripple effect. Application. Focus on leverage. Small, strategic actions that create big results. Exercise. Identify one small change that can trigger a bigger impact. Act now. Don't wait. If you want to dominate life like a true strategist, you cannot afford to hesitate. Every second wasted is a missed opportunity to sharpen your mind, gain power, and stay ahead of your competition. Subscribe now, because in war, the unprepared always lose.